Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to record WhatsApp call with voice on Android. So let's head over to our WhatsApp application. Once in there, go to any conversation. Now give them a call. Once I start a call, there will be there in my screen recorder. There won't be any voice that will be recorded because it will be muted because of the call. So I'm gonna start a call. So once you do it, as you can see, once I've started the call, I just deleted that because I need to show you guys how to do it. So suppose you are in the call. So you have to just turn on your screen recorder of your phone. Keep tapped on your screen recorder. And let me show you again. Keep tab on the screen recorder and there will be a option like record sound, none, or just media or media and mic. So as we want to record our call, so we want the both of the people's conversation recorded. So we are gonna use media and mic. So just tap on start recording and continue your call. So it will be recorded on your WhatsApp. So yeah, this is how you can record WhatsApp call with voice on Android. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.